In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom watch list on eBay. This guide is perfect for those of you who want to organize your saved items more efficiently, whether you're planning for future purchases or just keeping an eye out for the best deals. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to be logged into your eBay account. Head over to the eBay website and enter your login details. Once you're in, navigate to your watch list. You can do this by clicking on the My eBay link at the top right of the page. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Watch List. Now that you're on the watch list page, look for the watch list heading at the top of the screen and click on it. This will trigger a drop-down menu displaying your existing lists. Within this menu, you'll also see an option to create a new list. Go ahead and select Create New List. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter a name for your new list. This is a crucial step because the name you choose should be descriptive enough to help you identify your list easily in the future. Think about what kind of items you'll be tracking. For example, you might name it Gaming Gifts if you're looking for video game items, Home Decor for furniture and decorative pieces, or Books if you're a book lover. Once you've decided on a fitting name, hit Create. Just like that, you've made a custom watch list. Next, let's talk about adding items to your new list. To add items from your existing watch list, begin by checking the box located to the left of any item you wish to move. This allows you to select one or multiple items at once. After selecting the items, look toward the top of the page and click the Add to Custom List button. Then, choose the custom watch list you just created and finalize your action by clicking Add. And there you have it. You can now enjoy the convenience of organizing your watch list in a way that suits your needs. Creating custom watch lists is a great way to keep track of items more effectively, ensuring you never miss out on a deal or an item you truly want. Take advantage of this feature to make your shopping experience even better. Thanks for watching.